What's going on, guys? Gozi here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys yet another update on how things are going here in the McGrady Performance Garage. Still got the vets in with no motor. There's a block, of course. Back here, you got the heads and then the rest of my drivetrain. And then you got my brother's still on jack stands. We just did the fuel pump on this. Installed a Hellcat fuel pump, 525 liter per hour. Tested it out. It primed, so everything should work as intended. And now we're getting ready to put the trans and diff, torque tube, everything back on. I've been so busy with school and work and trying to adjust to my new job working on Hilo engines. But in the meantime, picked up a new hobby. It is a D5600 Nikon. And I figured, why not, put the investment into something that takes better pictures and better videos. So I got a lens for it. It's right there. I think that's a 70 to 200 millimeter. And I'm still learning about this whole camera platform. It was like Spanish to me. This is the camera. I'm not sure if you guys can spot the difference using a flashlight. How's it look? It better look good. This shit was an investment. Alright, so back here, got the heads off. Give me a good cleaning. Clean the oil pan. I undid the, spindle rotor assembly. Because I want to go ahead and swap out the factory wheel studs for longer ones, and then while I'm at it, replace the wheel bearing as well. I also installed the same fuel pump in my vet, 525 liters per hour. Took the insides off so I can wire my MPVI2 wideband interface for the scanner. Lets me see my air-fuel ratio from the HP tuners. Clutch has been installed. Now ready for the trans. We're trying to have it running by tomorrow night. So we'll see. Feasible goal, definitely. Been as though we didn't really take nothing off up front anyway. So mine still got a long way to go. Replaced the side fairing on the bike and it's growing on me. It's carbon fiber. Still got to replace the front cowl. That's cracked. And like I said, getting ready to dump this trans and diff in. Trans is installed. He's still buttoning up some parts of the suspension, sway bar, exhaust, all that good stuff. So while he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my motor back together, slap the heads on, lifters came in. Wasn't too bad. Took us about 3 hours. Gotta wire up the white band, throw the X pipe on, and then get her started. Here are the lifters, Johnson 2116Rs. Supposed to be one of the best you can get. I figured why not. At least the need for the lifter bucket, lifter trays, whatever you call it. We just pushed the car out and we're about to start it up for the first time since the long tubes and upgraded transmission. Just got done flashing the ECU, and that was because we installed the slot type MAV sensor. The car's an 05. It came with the honeycomb, so we felt like that was a little bit too restrictive. So now we're gonna have to rescale it and calibrate the MAV. So we're gonna take it for a drive and start data logging. So really all I'm doing is bouncing off my free ratio EQ error with my mad frequencies, and that's how I'm gonna pretty much scale it and get my feeling right. As you can see right now, we're running a lot rich in some areas.